Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the filament in your oven. I've already gone ahead and removed this element just so I can make sure that I was ordering the right one, and this is the new replacement. So the particular oven that we're using or repairing it on is Hotpoint 86EW, I think. Simply put that number into eBay and they came up with a part number. I'd already removed the element to make sure that the part I was ordering was correct, and the only thing I can say is that when you have a look on eBay, all of these things look the same, to be honest. So looking at this, that is a good fit. So let's go ahead and install this. Installation or removal is reverse of installation, so it's a pretty simple job to do. If at this point you are wondering whether or not you should tackle a job like this, just make sure you switch the oven off before you start working on it, because you don't want to get electrocuted. So if you're not confident in replacing this part, then probably not the video for you. But if you are confident with working with small household electrics, then yeah, let's go ahead and get this installed. So as I said before, I've already removed the bits from here. So I've got the screws here, and basically the unit is hidden behind this heat shield. This is a fan oven, so as you can see, that's the fan, and then the connections for the cables are just here. So all we need to do basically is just connect these up with there before poking them through the hole, and then screw it back on using this hole in the centre.